Hello everyone, welcome to a non-fact. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course project management. Okay, so this week consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. So question number 1 is, according to Goldratt, floating bottlenecks are created by: option A is dependent events, option B is statistical fluctuations, option C is attempts to balance the plant, and option D is the combination of A, B and C. So the correct answer for question number 1 will be option number D, that is the combination of A, B and C. Okay. Question number 2 is, logically the output of a NOR gate would have the same Boolean expression as NAND gate immediately followed by an inverter, OR gate immediately followed by an inverter, AND gate immediately followed by an inverter, NOR gate immediately followed by an inverter. So the correct answer for this question will be OR gate immediately followed by an inverter. Okay. Question number 3 is, which logical operation outputs true if and only if one or more of its operands is true. So for question number 3, the answer will be inclusive OR. Okay. So question number 4 is, the output of AND gate with 3 inputs A, B and C is high when all the inputs are 1, because as we know the expression for AND gate is A into B into C. Okay. So question number 5 is, if a signal passing through a gate is inhibited by sending a low into one of the inputs and the output is high, the gate is NAND gate. Okay. Question number 6 is, if a 3 input NOR gate has 8 input possibilities, how many of those possibilities will result in a high output? 1, 2, 7 or 8? So only 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Question number 7 is, the primary difference in the GERT results and the results obtained from a PERT or CPM network, apart from the fact that the GERT results reflect a stochastic network, the cost statistics, the complete time management data, the normalized data time statistics, the critical task on the network. So the correct answer will be the complete time management data. Question number 8 is, which project management techniques has features such as probabilistic branching, scholastic, stochastic models, network looping, feedback loops, multiple sync nodes, multiple outcomes and multiple node realization repeat events? So options are PERT, GERT, CPM, decision trees. So the correct answer will be GERT. Okay. Question number 9 is, QGERT is a network modeling technique developed to perform data modeling tasks, provide superior results to deterministic PERT CPM models, analyze general stochastic networks, none of the other given options. So the correct answer will be analyze general stochastic networks. So the last question is, in general, the GERT network is not as sensitive to activity time changes as node branching probability changes. Of course, if the project activity times are extremely cost sensitive, then a slight alteration in an activity time can affect network or project cost, even though the overall network time might not be affected significantly. So options are maybe or may not be, false, true, none of the given options. So the answer will be true. Okay. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. So viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and like the video if is and if is possible then please share it with needy ones. Okay, thank you.